Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. How's everyone doing? How's everyone, exploring the energies of Shirdi Sai? So today, I want to say one thing. Today, I will not be taking you all through any story or anything, but I will be telling you all one thing in the morning. I don't know why. When I was taking out the reading for Baba, I felt as if Baba asked me that for other days you tell them the color to wear, you tell them, what to do, and on Thursdays, why is it that you don't give them the dress color? So today, wear a yellow color because I feel Baba will be happy in that ways, and also, if possible, if you can, I have always said on a Thursday, if you can feed a stray animal, a stray dog, Baba will bless you immensely. At the same time, today, if you have the time, go to some Baba's temple or go to some temple and give fruits inside the temple and come saying that you want blessings of Baba over there. This is what I felt, so I said. Now let me pull out cards. Let's see. As usual, oh, 3 cards have come. What a beautiful combination he has given. The dream, hard work and gift. So maybe I feel Baba is telling you, you have kept some dreams ready in your life and work on those dreams. So what you should do is you should write down your dreams. Now, if Baba is conveying that message to you, I will suggest you one thing. Today, it's being a Thursday, take some Baba's Udi if you have and mix that Udi in water night before going to sleep. Drink that water and sleep and tell Baba to show in dreams what message it is that you want to convey and what it is that I have to do. And in the morning, you will be able to recollect that dream. So do that and try that today. I'm sure it will work for you. Work hard. So Baba is saying, if you have got this message or if you are dreaming of some project, then work hard towards it, because when you work hard, he is ready to give you the gift. He is going to grant you what you want and he is going to gift you what you want. Now, I don't know, I just felt like saying this, so I am telling this because I feel this is not about Baba coming and telling you in the dreams. This is about some sort of a planning or dreaming which you have made up your mind that you want to work on. So today, talk to Baba, tell Baba about this, what you want, and when you drink water, tell Baba to show you in what ways you should work hard for that dream to be achieved and for that work or that goal for you to be successful in it. And once Baba gives you the gift, tell Baba you will donate Sai Satcharitra books to at least 9 people. This, I don't know why I'm saying. I am usually not a person who says, gift someone something, but I feel with your hands, Sai Satcharitra should be given to 9 people. Maybe because recently, when I was sending my sale orders, I was inclined to send Bhagavad Gita to 5-6 people. And out of that, one person actually literally said that you are the Arjun of my life, because I have just started a new work and I was not knowing how to go. And when the Bhagavad Gita came, it was an indication that you're my Arjun and I should seek your guidance. So maybe something like that Baba wants me to tell you all to do. So please do it and do let me know how you felt the reading is. And I just hope and I pray that Baba helps you, gives you the right direction in all your hard work to become successful, and you be gifted with whatever you desire. Have a blessed Baba day. Om Sai Ram.